Hey guys, welcome back, and today we will be upgrading our $850 PC that we built last video, this new CPU cooler. Okay, so first we're going to unbox this, and this is the Thermalright X, or Thermalright Assassin X 120 Refined SE. We got the white variant with ARGB fan, and as you can see, I'm just going to be unboxing it right now, and we'll show you what it looks like. So it comes with the fan right there, and it's just like plain white fan, and then the actual CPU cooler, as well as a whole bunch of accessories including thermal paste and the mounting brackets. And here's the CPU cooler covered with foam. Okay. And you will have to make sure that you remove that. Now let's actually open up our case. So take off our front glass panel, unscrew the cap. Then just slide the panel right off. So right now we're just going to unplug our CPU fan from the CPU fan header, and then we will actually start to unscrew our old CPU cooler. We are trying to do equal pressure just so nothing goes wrong. Now there was an issue that I ran into here. I was not expecting to have to do this, but after I unscrewed the fan, the CPU mounting backplate came up, fell off the motherboard and fell behind, which is why, as you're going to see in a moment, I had to actually take apart the whole computer. Okay, so removing the CPU cooler, and we're just going to place it anywhere for now. Okay, so here are the parts that you will need to install your CPU cooler. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. We had to completely remove the motherboard. Anyways, we're going to start with these red things. Not exactly sure what they're called, but they should go on the standoffs from the back plate. Now with those on, we will take our mounting brackets and we will screw them in. The easiest way for me was to put the screw through the hole of the mounting bracket and then place it and line it up and screw it in a little bit and then do the other side. Okay, so we're just going to take our screwdriver and just screw it all the way down now. Now we'll repeat this for the other mounting bracket. Okay, so now we will apply our thermal paste. I'm going to be using an X pattern. And yes, this thermal paste does come with the CPU cooler. Alright, here's an important part. Make sure you remove the stickers. I've heard of many issues from people not actually removing the sticker on the contact part. So now we're just going to place down our CPU cooler onto our CPU, lining up the screws with those holes in the mounting brackets. Alright, so after you line it up, just screw it in, and then we will take the fan and use those, not exactly sure what those called, these like metal arms, and snap them into place on the CPU, or onto the heatsink. And actually, I didn't show this in the video, but I did have to end up switching, well, I didn't have to, but I ended up switching the side that I put the fan on, just so that it will be more visible in my case. Next, we're going to plug in what we need for the lights to work on the fan and for the fan to actually work. So for the lights, we plugged it into the J Rainbow header, which we do change later on, and then we plug it into the CPU fan header. Okay, so now we're just going to take our motherboard and put it back into the case, and actually do it the right way.
That's awesome.
We're going to struggle to move the cables around the motherboard to get it in for a little bit.
Okay, we're good. Okay.
Once we finally get the motherboard in, we will start screwing it in with all of the standoffs. Once again, trying to apply equal pressure and not screw anything in too hard at first.
Hold on. Oh, it's good. Just
Alright, so go ahead and make sure everything's plugged in. Flip the power switch on, press that button on top of your case, and let's get to playing. So also, what I was talking about is I actually attached the CPU fan header to the fans in my case so that I can have them all match up. Kind of forgot what I was saying, to be honest.
Recording?
No, before that. I started that. Astra stars on B.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Stop.
They're getting all over B.
Me and Viper and Sage
Oh
are
my god.
mid. I like all that.
Spike planted.
Oh. Bro. I just double head tapped Reyna, headshot the Sage,
One enemy
and then
remaining.
headshot the chamber.
Cypher.
He's over there. Astra just like caught me by surprise.
I don't know if the rest are coming, but there's one here.
You are divided.
You are divided. Best line right there.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah. What's it called? Cypher's triggering our cage.
Me and my
Got him.
ghost on
Spike
there.
down
Nice.
A.
I could get his gun.
Got Spike. Sage is Sage is.
One enemy remaining.
Ult is ready.
Reloading.
Straight to your left, bro. Straight to your left.
Nice shot.
How do I have more? How do I have like the top two stars here? By the way, and Reyna's here.
Enemy down.
I'm rotating through your side from back.
Spike planted. planted.
No more secrets.
One enemy remaining.
Three gone.
Damn. I'm going crazy for real.
I'm just gonna.
Dang.
Revealing area. There they are.
Alright, so we know Viper and Chamber are there at least.
Enemy spotted me.
He wants to fight me. Dang, y'all just jumped him. That was not how it's supposed to go, but okay.
Running it down A.
He said, hey. Not Crimus.
I'll run it down mid. Making up a lineup on the spot, right? We'll look at this league specifically.
They're blocking off A. They said
Scanning
no.
ahead.
They said, Sage said, you are divided.
Last player standing.
Okay,
Bullseye.
nice.
Oh, they both have ops?
Bro, see, you see how I just said that? I said that like 3 rounds ago.
Enemies close.
I
Eyes
wasn't
up.
playing like 3 rounds ago.
Need healing. Need healing. Need healing. Need healing.
You need healing?
Don't be.
Going C.
Revealing area.
Attack.
That was my
Whatever you said.
Headshot.
Okay, I'm checking B. We're good for B. They may be pushing C.
Yeah, I know. I got.
Oh no, Reina's right here. I just missed like 17 of my shots. I'm terrible. I missed. You just sound weird.
There's 2 people.
They
Yeah,
just
hold on.
broke their door. Probably pushing onto B. Yeah, they're pushing B. They're planting B. Pushing B.
Spike planted.
Hello? That sound better now.
For now.
Yep, I knew it.
For now, what does that mean?
I shouldn't have dismissed.
Oh,
again.
90 on Phoenix.
Last player standing.
Where?
One enemy remaining.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, he probably hit him.
No clue where Omen was.
Omen's
know
not
what the
there, I
name-
don't think. He's probably man. Pros don't fake. Pros don't fake.
Yeah, bro, something. You got it half, right?
Yeah, stick it.
Don't rush me.
Yep.
Yeah. Got the kill though.
Yes, you got the.
I hear them. Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, no. 2 are A. Last 2 are A.
One enemy remaining.
This guy, you might heal him?
Hawk out.
Hey, yo, wait, I just realized what you said.
There's also Raze watching. Like 2 raises actually.
Last player
what are you
standing.
doing?
Dog.
10
I wasn't
seconds
looking at my
left.
screen.
Wow.
Race.
So I thought he was gonna swing that.
Yeah, she's dead. She
Oh
get
my
Ray's got the
God.
ace. Yeah,
I didn't think she
and
was
she
gonna
clutched that too.
swing
Dang.
that.
We know more than we did.
I started looking at the bottom right. I started looking at Sky, or not Sky, Raze.
Why? She was
Our
already
Raze.
dead. Sky literally just walked right to where she shot it. She heard the shooting.
this
She's
is
like,
my
oh,
spot."
let me go get hit by it.
Found you.
Okay, nope, they went C.
I see a
Easy
little
assist.
boom. Boom.
Okay. I don't know who has Spike. They're just open tree at A. They're on A. They're planting A. They're planting
Spike planted.
A. Nice.
Whatever. No.
Stim beacon here.
Last player standing.
Uh,
One enemy remaining.
Vandal behind. I don't know, it's that hard to pick it up. Yeah, you
Oh
got
god, it is okay.
Launching smoke.
Hold on to your hats.
No, I looked over too late.
Almost gonna walk out.
You dumb. What's going on? Like, why are we doing? Why are we doing this? We're doing bad.
Shut up.
I said weird.
Yeah, but like it's normal for you.
Let's go.
Wow, that's crazy.
You actually have a higher KD than you average.
Yeah, I know, but if we count the games, like, you know, when I was on that run to look to silver, like, it's a lot lower. So, well, I got all of %. They're probably gonna go see.
I hear them. And he just smoked stairs.
No hard feelings.
One enemy remaining.
Yes, Spike. I forgot you were playing Erna. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
well, I just
Hostile removed.
I'm literally hitting him for 0.
Nice shots.
Let him ace, let him ace.
Everyone hiding.
Oh, they're A.
Spike planted.
See, there's more B this time because Race wanted to walk over.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Last player standing.
Nice try.
Jesus, Race.
I didn't think that their race was
Standing
gonna
in between us
like
and
get up
victory.
there so quickly.
Remember you bottom frag? Like round 1?
When was I bottom fragging? When you said that
No.
we were doing great.
I had my ult.
Or B.
Grenade.
Launching smoke.
Somebody's
Full enemies B.
Buried.
5 to 7 is not bad.
Wait, what did, bro?
Omen's there too.
There's
got
one.
chamber.
I don't know if you guys got him. There's one like here.
Okay,
And that
just
was
pick up
her.
the gun
That
and
was me.
headshot me.
One
Instantly.
enemy remaining.
Pick-
Enemy spotted.
Yeah, Raze is like literally one tap.
Wait, I killed the wrong person.
That's-
You know, pushing door.
Fires out.
Me. Bro.
Reloading.
One enemy remaining.
Look at that molly. You like that molly? Anthony, you like that molly?
I was not paying attention to you.
It's right there.
You can still see it.
Enemy there.
Let Dominic ace. Ace, Dom.
I didn't realize I had 4, or else I would have chased down Race.
None of
You
my
said it
stuff
too
has
late.
malfunctioned.
He's 1. Phoenix is 1. He's behind the box. If he's not 1, then like.
One enemy remaining.
3 out of
The
5.
favor is so good.
I caught that in 4.
Down you go.
They pushed
I
everyone.
got Reyna. It's okay.
Fires out.
Enemy
You're on
spotted.
side.
My eyes are better than yours.
Nice.
They have to. They have to. Or no.
Launching smoke. Beacon down.
One enemy
Enemy
remaining.
down.
Nice.
Clutch.
Nice.
Nice shots.
Attackers win.
GG.
So
See,
much
I told you it was a
another
tactic.
day.
I told you we did good on defense.
On many.
Immortal 7, bro.
Match
Oh
found.
my god.
Bro,
Finally.
Kool-Aid 9.
Finally.
Bro, how much would I bet somebody's just gonna
No!
like all F4
Breeze, bro!
You
It's
gotta-
breeze!
You gotta be kidding me.
Dodge, please. I don't want.
Alright, I lied. She pulled it.
Oops.
I'm gonna throw this. There.
Gun here.
Alright, guys, you guys gotta like 4v5 for a little bit.
No, we
He's
need
back.
you to carry us, bro. We need you to like actually.
Watching here.
Night
Night. Watching here.
They're coming.
Headshot.
Last player standing.
Okay. Yeah.
Enemy killed.
It just flicks on me and it clicks on me.
3.
Last player standing.
There's 2 there.
One enemy remaining. One
Sage
enemy
was
remaining.
Sage was
Defusing, start defusing.
Watching here.
incoming.
Nice.
Oh, Brim mid. Hit for 80. 80 Brim. 80 Brim.
Down.
They're behind the blocks.
Spike down B.
Oh, were you just staring
Okay,
at him?
time for a
Yes.
protein shake.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Wow.
Okay, they're dead.
Okay.
Take what's useful.
That was kind of fast. So they caught me with my knife out.
Ouch. Where is everyone hiding?
Yes.
Last.
And 80. I'm just.
Okay.
I keep
Good
going
job.
using.
My eyes are better than yours.
One enemy remaining.
Deleted.
You are powerless.
That's Cypher.
System failure.
My ultimate is ready.
Spike down. C.
Where is everyone hiding?
One enemy.
Well then.
Spike down.
Kill me.
Attacker spawn.
No, I got killed by the brim. They killed me.
One enemy remaining.
3 out of 5.
Where's the brim?
She does like. Does she get good now? Like what happened? She just starts hitting shots on me.
Last player
My
standing.
ultimate is ready.
Did they get good?
down,
What
B.
happened? Like what happened? They're hitting shots.
Where is everyone hiding? No more charges left.
Yeah, they're coming. Get ready. Did
I didn't even get to
Throw your.
I'm gonna check
throw your
behind you.
Throw your pistol. They're gonna shoot at it. Trust. You gotta throw it high. not.
3 out of 5.
30 seconds left.
Camera
Bum,
taken
bum,
out.
bum.
I have retrieved the spike.
One enemy remaining.
4 out
Oh
of
my
5.
god, Ace.
No!
Raheem, bro, why'd you say something?
Shut up, bro.
I said, oh my god, Ace.
Killed one. Blank and door. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, kill KO.
One enemy remaining.
3 out of 5. My
And
ultimate is ready. I can't use that. Where is
I'm gonna just keep an eye on door. Oh,
Enemy spotted C.
Guys, can I get a heal?
I guess we're rotating.
Oh, there's one there.
Slammer?
Are you guys okay?
No.
Let me get it, bro. No, kill him.
Ready.
Attackers win.
Hey, I ended with 325 combo score. Guess how much RR I got, guys?
I got 1.
Match
And I got
MVP.
disconnected. Lovely.
You got
did
what?
not
How
get
much?
one.
I
How
got
much
disconnected.
Did you get,
so-
Alex?
17. How much did you get?
Okay, 13. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. As you can see, it did make a pretty big difference with at least negative 10 degrees Celsius on average from the stock cooler, which is actually a pretty big difference. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next one.